Ouais, c'est ça YouTube. Il est l'heure. Épisode 5 de Love Among Us. Va-t-il se passer? Va-t-on mourir? Va-t-on se marier avec Blanche? Tellement de questions sans réponse pour le moment. Mais allons-y.
You're not really supposed to do that, are you?
Évidemment. Tout ce qu'on a pu faire de très bien. Évidemment, Podane. Totalement cané. Totalement cané. Ah oui, mais ça... Ah, mais attends, mais ça met comme des trucs du premier épisode, quoi.
Holly's sister, Lily.
Évidemment.
I just don't know what Bigby's doing. If he cares about it. If he even gives a shit.
That's why you can't tell me anything. It's the ribbon, isn't it?
We're destroying the tree. No!
We're not burning the tree, Snow.
Hey, you're not really gonna send me to the farm, are you?
Look, maybe a few will get sent up, but you're my friend, Colin. I wouldn't do that to you.
La connasse.
Oh God, Bigby!
This time was no joke. Eat as many metal shellings as you see fit, but take just one more silver round near your heart, and the only place I'll be visiting you is the morgue.
Bigby, wait. When you get the Crooked Man, make sure you bring him back alive. He has to stand trial.
Have a seat, Sheriff. We have a great deal to discuss.
Ah oui, ça nous met direct dans l'intro comme ça, dans le générique. On n'a même pas une petite scène avant, c'est direct sur le générique pour tout enchaîner, quoi. C'est-à-dire qu'on va avoir beaucoup de trucs à gérer. Ça va être super. Ça va être super. Ah non, ah oui. Et on doit quand même finir le chapitre. En plus là, on va vraiment avoir toutes les réponses, donc c'est bénef.
And if my envoys are correct, you haven't had a lot of rest recently.
Non, c'est le même pistolet qui me fait archi mal la dernière fois. Avec des balles en argent.
Please, Sheriff. Relax for a moment, will you? Do you want a drink? Something to eat? Vivian makes a very nice, it's elegant. Really, a carpaccio. It's lobster.
Bon, ouais, on me propose un verre, je vais accepter, hein.
Got a scotch?
Only Tennessee whiskey, unfortunately.
Ah putain.
What do you think you're doing?
He's gonna...
Mr. Wolf is our guest, and I have every intention of cooperating. So don't waste the silver. Sit down, Jersey.
Non mais lui enfin depuis qu'on lui a cassé la gueule la dernière fois, il est plutôt énervé, hein.
Why don't you tell us why you're here? It would help settle everyone's nerves, I think.
You forget what happened at the Pudding and Pie. You and your goons tried to kill me.
I'm truly sorry for that whole debacle. It was not my intention to put you or Miss White in any sort of danger.
Et pourtant...
My wish was merely to take Crane, Sheriff. And as soon as the assignment grew out of control, I put a stop to it. I know that doesn't change what happened to you. And I can only offer my sincerest apologies.
Crane wasn't yours to take.
I apologize if I overstep my bounds. Won't happen again. And I hope you believe me when I say, Sheriff, that I sincerely mean to make it up to you. The recent murders that have gotten such attention as of late, I don't relish telling you that they were perpetrated by an employee of mine. It's a
Ah.
very unfortunate bit of business, but I promise you that the matter will be dealt with.
Ah oui, non, mais on va en non,
I just
nous.
want to settle the issue for you, and to assure you that it's over with. You really don't need to worry yourself further.
Je connais le coupable. Ok,
I already know who
on
did
joue le bluff.
Forgive me, Sheriff, for doubting your acumen. But who do you think committed these
Oh no.
crimes?
Oh non. Oh non. Non, 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 c'est pas les Tweedle. En vrai, ça doit se jouer entre eux. C'était vous.
Days for you.
C'est...
Give me this employee bullshit. I know it was you.
What must I say to convince you that I'm innocent, dear? It wasn't me. I have complete respect for you and your job, I really do, but I'm sorry. I simply can't divulge the transgressor. You
Salopard.
really shouldn't worry yourself. As I said, I've got this under control.
No, I'm gonna deal with it right now.
Yeah, right. What do you think this is? Some kind of negotiation?
Mais toi déjà, j'ai sauvé ton frère.
The man said he'd take care of it. So why don't you take the hint and get out?
Tweedledee, please.
I'm already pissed off. You don't want to make it worse.
You think I'm scared of you? You're nothing more
That's
than a...
enough! I was hoping it wouldn't come to this, but in the interest of preserving our alliance, if you have to know, it was Georgie.
Oh le bâtard.
However, like I said, I'll be handling the matter if you don't mind.
Georgie.
You got what you wanted, so just...
Sit down. Now.
Yeah, I killed him, so what? You should have just kept your nose where it fucking belonged.
Georgie.
Why'd you do it? Why kill them?
Does it matter?
Look, the fact is, George here misinterpreted one of
Non,
my
non, mais non, mais là, c'est...
Misinterpreted?
and I want to make things right.
Mais non, mais là, c'est pas mal interprété, mais il y a eu 2 meurtres quand même. Hein.
What's there to work out? I'm protected, aren't I?
Your protection has limits, and I think you've far exceeded yours.
Ah bah oui, bah
But
il y a
you
eu 2
couldn't
morts.
murder someone in cold blood like that.
You fucking asked me to do this.
And
You
then
told me
attempt
to
to
kill him.
blame me for it. You will be silent while we discuss what to do with you.
This is right bollocks, this. You're just gonna let him do this?
So what do you say, Sheriff? Can we discuss terms? You can have Georgie. Consider it a gift, ensuring our continued cooperation.
What the hell?
Take this fucker. Take all of them. I didn't fucking
Don't
start
make
this.
any trouble, Georgie.
All right, let's talk.
Non,
You
vas-y.
can't just hand me over. What the fuck is this shit? You said you'd cover for us.
For minor infractions, not murder.
Just go with him, Georgie. You're gonna sink us all.
What's wrong with you people? You're really gonna sell him out just like
You
that?
think I give a fuck if I'm the one? Who the shit do you think you fuckers
Get
surrender.
the fuck out of
I
here!
do apologize, Sheriff, but I think it's best if you leave now.
There's no way I'm going with him. Are you kidding me?
Things are about to get unpleasant, and I would rather you weren't here to watch.
You can go join that whore at the bottom of the lake for all I give a shit. But he's not taking me anywhere. I'll roll over on the lot of you before I let that shit happen.
Je ne pars pas.
Yeah, what the fuck? You're gonna make sure we all go down this shitter with you?
I'm not going anywhere.
This could have gone so well. To speak the truth, I've never been a very good mediator. Why negotiate when you can just decide?
Comment ça? Oh non. Oh non.
Did I miss anything good? Well, look at you, all fixed up.
Oh les bâtards. Ah, je peux rien faire. Ah mais putain, mais oui, je me suis pas mis en QWERTY. FF.
Take this!
You're done, Wolf.
Come on, we're pretty much done here.
Oh, le bâtard.
I'd like to say it was nice knowing you, but I'll be glad to see your insides turned out.
Ouh. Oh bah alors, mon cochon. Eh bien alors. Ah bah voilà. Non mais pas toi, je t'ai déjà cassé la gueule, c'est bon. Il faut lâcher un moment. Hop, voilà, prends ça là. Eh, c'est bon. Voilà.
Come on, Georgie.
Oh, shit.
I know.
Non. Attends, mais j'ai pas compris, c'est quoi la barre en bas là? Ah putain, les bâtards. Hop. Et hop. Et hop. Vraiment les tuer les plus compliqués du monde, hein. Et hop. Et hop.
Fuck, what was that?
Coucou. Oh le bâtard. Coucou.
No!
Take him off!
I can't!
Mais non mais elle va aller dans la petite ruelle, elle va juste aller dans un cul-de-sac là.
Gun it!
Are you sure?
Do it!
He's not moving.
Keep going!
Oh non. Mais j'avais fait exprès de pas bouger. Mais parce que j'avais le choix entre gauche droite et j'ai fait exprès de rien faire.
Come on.
Fuck it!
Non mais est-ce qu'il y a vraiment quelque chose à voir dans la voiture là? Putain mais il s'est passé quoi, merde? Putain les gens font plus attention à rien. Je peux pas passer... Ah putain je peux pas passer par la porte de derrière.
Come on. We can't stay here.
Hang on, I need a minute.
Okay. Can you stand up? It's okay. Take your time. Slowly.
Oh, it's no fucking use. No way I'm walking out of here.
How did this happen, Georgie? How did it get this?
won't be your fault.
Allez.
Shit. Hello, Bigby. I hoped you'd come to your senses. Oh, Crooked Man's the one you want. But of course, you're too much of an idiot to see that. Or maybe you just like me too much to let me go. That it, Sheriff? Had to say goodbyes first.
I'm taking you in, Georgie. Let's go.
You gonna carry me?
Please, Sheriff.
On y va canner avant.
Haven't you done enough? Look at him. He's dying.
Vivian, you don't know what you're doing.
I'm trying to help you here.
You can't seriously want to protect this guy. You know what he did.
I'm not going anywhere.
Oh là là là.
It isn't his fault.
He's a murderer. Faith and Lily, he's the reason they're dead.
Look, I know he made a few mistakes. We all have.
Mais
He made sure they
mais il a
couldn't
buté
talk
ses
with
deux
those
potes en
damn
plus.
ribbons, and then he killed them. You're wearing one yourself. Doesn't that bother you even a little, knowing that man murdered?
Of course it does. Those girls.
So it's all my fucking fault then.
I
You
didn't mean-
fucking. You're gonna throw me to the fucking wolf too? You know I didn't have a goddamn choice. What the fuck? I did what I had to. You can't fucking blame me for that.
Look, I'm
Sometimes you just have to do what you're told.
Je sais pas, il pose des questions, je vais lui dire
Then
que
it
t'étais pas
comes back to bite you in
obligé
the
et...
ass because some good-for-nothing crooked bastard decides you're not worth shit anymore.
You didn't have to do anything.
Like hell I didn't.
Je vais le dire.
Faith and the others tried to pull a run on us. And as you can imagine, the Crooked Man wasn't too thrilled. But of course, the big boss didn't want to get his fucking hands dirty. So he told me to take care of it. You think I don't know what that means? Either I do what he says or I'm the one getting dealt with. So I fucking killed him. And I'd do it again. 'Cause it's not my fault. The Crooked Man gave the order.
C'est toujours
He told
responsable,
me to
hein.
kill them. And then he fucking sold me out.
You're still the one who pulled the trigger. Nobody held your hand and made you go through with it.
Fine. Believe what you want. I can tell you've made up your mind. Doesn't matter if it's fucking true or not. Go ahead and arrest me then. But it won't bring back Lily or Faith. It won't free your friend Narissa. And I'm just the sap taking the fall for the whole thing. It must be so easy being you. Just come in here and blame me for all this shit. Job's done, right? George is the bad guy. It's all his fucking fault. But what was I supposed to do? You don't know what it's like, Bigby. How could you know? At the end of the day, you're just like him. Coming here, talking about options, like it was that simple.
Stop complaining and take responsibility for what you did. You murdered Faith and Lily. You put those fucking ribbons around their necks. You had the power to let them go, but you chose not to.
You don't know what the fuck you're talking about. If I freed them... What would you have me do? Kill her?
Georgie, don't.
It was them or Vivian. So you tell me, if freeing Lily meant she had to die. Do you still think I had a fucking choice?
What are you doing?
I told you, you don't know the fuck about anything.
What are you talking about?
This is the original.
Comment ça?
The girl with the ribbon. I'm sure you've heard the stories. Couldn't take it off, couldn't talk about it. She used her little purple ribbon to make more of them. To keep our girls quiet. To ensure absolute discretion.
You promised you wouldn't.
All that magic is connected to this little thing. You remove hers, and the spell's broken. They're all free. But you know what happens to her? The same thing that happened to Faith. So don't you come in here and tell me I fucked up.
What the hell, Georgie? We were supposed to look out for each other. I trusted you.
You can't fucking blame me. You're not innocent here either.
I know that. But did it have to be like this?
Wait, so you've been helping this asshole? I thought you cared about them.
I do. Of course I do. You have to understand. Nobody was supposed to die.
Oui, oui, bah... Même aujourd'hui, on se retrouve avec deux morts, quoi.
It was just a stupid idea. A gimmick. Discretion is our guarantee. That's how it started, anyway. This was supposed to be our place. We were gonna be in charge for once, and nobody would try to control us or use us. That was the point. Then the Crooked Man showed up, and everything just turned to shit.
So, do you get it now? Why I couldn't just... If you still think it's so fucking simple, then you do it. Go right ahead. Kill her then.
What are you doing?
Break the spell. Save the fucking day.
Stop it!
I told you, sometimes all your options are shit. What the fuck are you supposed to do then?
I'm not playing this game, Georgie. I won't kill her.
Don't talk about me like I'm not even here. Please. You think this is hard for you? My life is such a fucking burden on your conscience. Don't I get a say? It's my life. Like it was either of yours to give up in the first place.
I wasn't really...
Just shut up.
You're right. It's your life.
I know what I've done.
Wait.
I'm sick of everyone thinking that they can just do what they want with my life. I thought it would be different here. But it's all the fucking same.
Vivian, I didn't mean...
Do you think I wanted to be this person? What I did to Faith and Lily? To all of them.
Vivian, wait.
Every day I have to look Gwen and Hans in the eye and pretend I don't care. I have to forget what I've done to them. What I took away from them. I look at Nerissa and I hate myself.
Vivian.
I can't pretend anymore.
What are you doing?
Vivian, don't. Vivian, no! Fuck! No, 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 no!
Comme ça.
Have to do that, Vivian.
Comme ça.
Vivian. Shit.
Just... Jesus.
Comme ça. Elle a enlevé le ruban, la tête elle est tombée. Comme ça.
Vivian, I didn't fucking mean it. I was just... Oh.
Mais du coup, Ariel, la petite sirène là, elle est libérée du sort du ruban, elle?
Oh, fuck!
Get up.
Oh, oh c'est terrible en plus, lui. Oh là là.
Don't think so, Bigby. I'm gonna die here. I think we both know that.
Oh là là
Just
là là
make
là
sure
là.
you give the crooked man the same treatment when you find him.
Oh, c'est une boucherie.
Really fuck him up for me, alright? For both of us.
He's gonna have it worse. Don't worry.
Ah, se souviendra, mais bon, il s'en souviendra pas trop
Old
longtemps, quoi.
Foundry by the river, alright? Shepherd Metalworks. He'll be there. Fucking asshole. You wanna finish me off now? Or do you plan to kick me around a little first? Rip my limbs off one by one? That's what you wanna do, right? Well, whatever it is, just get it over with.
That's not who I am.
Prove it then. No more games, alright? We both know how this ends. Just make it quick. I know what I did.
Bon, allez, hein.
All right, Georgie.
Allez, Georgie. Oh, la scène, elle est sanglante. Oh. Ah, je pensais pas du tout qu'ils m'auraient tué deux comme ça. Hein. Évidemment, on est en lumière. On n'est pas à Versailles ici. Je sais pas comment l'a mis Twitch, mais parce que normalement Twitch met des interactions à l'âge en fonction du jeu qu'on met en section. Mais non mais ça c'est tranquille. Ah c'est du dessin.
Still warm. He's here, all right.
Bah non, ils vont nous entendre là. Oh la taille de la porte, le bruit qu'elle a fait, bah oui, on laisse claquer en plus. Je pense que là, si c'est vraiment RP, tout le monde sait qu'on est là. Y'a quoi ici? Ok.
So this is where they've been sending these.
Oui, évidemment.
Bigby Wolf.
Oh non.
The big bad wolf.
Oh non, oui. Elle est où? Elle est où?
You used to be something.
Oh non. Oh, c'est les photos de moi, elle m'accroche. Pourquoi elle a autant de photos là? Oh, cette photo, c'est ma préférée. Putain.
They'd hide anywhere their small shivering bodies would fit.
C'est quoi là? C'est le... Mais c'est le combat au sommet, c'est... Ça passe ou ça casse? Oh là 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 là. Par pitié, me dis pas qu'elle a récupéré la hache du bûcheron, par pitié. Travail. Oh non. C'est ici qui faisait les balles en argent. Oh les bâtards. Elle a apparu d'où?
It's about time you showed up.
I had to take care of some things first.
Little errand boy. That's nice.
Ah, Bigby. I see you made it here in one piece. I do apologize, but I have some business to attend to. I leave you in the capable hands of my associate. Come find me when you've finished, dear.
Don't worry. This won't take long.
Get out of my way now. Don't make this worse.
Aw, he doesn't want to play.
I'm sure you'll persuade him.
Non, en vrai, faut frapper en premier.
Wow, what a man. Stealing punches while my back is turned.
Mais parce que... Non, mais parce que elle est vraiment trop dangereuse. Hein. Elle est vraiment dangereuse de fou. Viens, hop. Allez, tiens dans ta gueule. Elle, c'est le danger à l'état pur. Mais surgit d'où en fait? J'ai l'impression qu'elle surgit de l'ombre ou un truc dans le genre. Non mais c'est quoi aussi ça? Ça va être là. Oh là là là, c'est le pire endroit où on peut être. Elle va m'attraper de derrière. Elle va m'attraper de derrière, c'est sûr. Oh la connasse.
Where are you? Come out and face me.
C'est un démon immonde en fait. J'hésitais à attaquer. Mais parce qu'en fait, elle a le buff hérisson. Et si on l'attaque, on se fait mal. Oh non mais... Oh mais c'est déjà la deuxième fois qu'on se transforme aujourd'hui. Oh là 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 là. Oh mais vas-y. Vas-y elle aussi. Oh non. Non. Oh non, je vais me bloquer. Non, c'était sûr que ça allait être bizarre là. Non mais vas-y, mais non mais il y en a trop là, il y en a trop par pitié. J'ai pas des pouvoirs de fou, genre cracher du feu et tout. Oh le pouvoir... Oh le pouvoir anti-petit cochon. Non, non. Comment ça, c'était pas elle ? Mais attends, mais j'ai pas compris, du coup, elle est canée ou pas?
Hello, Bigby. You look tired.
Give me one good reason not to rip you apart right now.
Oh le bâtard. Je vais pas l'attaquer, je vais pas l'attaquer.
Now, I may not be the best shot, but I can guarantee that at least one bolt will meet its mark, and you'll find yourself rolling on the floor in agony.
Je vais pas l'attaquer.
Without Swinehart to save you, you'll die. Is that reason enough for you? Before you do anything with me, I thought I should point out a few things. Snow White wants you to bring me back to the woodlands, doesn't she? And that's what I want. You plan to do what she says, don't you?
That's right. But what happens to you once you get there is a different story.
I'm not quite finished. You will bring me back alive. Look, all I ask for is the chance to speak for myself in front of the community. And I'm sure Miss White would agree that I should be given a fair trial. Can we at least agree on that? I will have a trial. Are we clear?
You need to tell me right now. We're not going anywhere until I get some answers from you.
If you want answers, you're going to have to cooperate with me. Look, there's no reason for us to be at each other's throats here.
That's funny, coming from a guy pointing a gun at my head.
This is just a precaution. I'm sure you understand. I'm no murderer, Mr. Wolf. I didn't kill those.
Mais oui, mais il a envoyé quelqu'un d'autre le faire, quoi. Mais bon, par
All I'm asking for is a chance to explain my side of the story.
Non, je vais le laisser parler là. Les réponses, ça me plaisait pas.
I'm a businessman, not a killer.
There's still a lot you have to answer for.
And I will, as long as you agree to my terms. Because I'm not saying another word until I'm brought before the community. I don't mean to belabor the point, but just so we're clear, if you change your mind and decide to do something stupid, you won't get your answers, but you will have a difficult time explaining yourself to Miss White and the rest of this miserable town. You're often reckless, and I worry you're not thinking of the... Let me ask you an honest question. What do you really care about here? Where this case is concerned, I mean. Do you really want the truth? Or do you just want to look like the hero? Because those are two very different things.
This is about protecting Fabletown. When some asshole murders two of our people, it's my job to bring them down.
Then why are you here? You know who murdered them. Georgie. He's dead, isn't he? My point being, the killer has been dealt with. You've won.
You really think I'm that stupid?
I understand you have an obligation to bring me in, but you can brighten up a little. It's over. So, shall we get going? I'd rather not dawdle.
On y va, hein?
You know, I'm actually looking forward to seeing Miss White again. My previous interactions with her have gone rather well.
All right, let's go. Hand over the gun.
I think I'd rather hold on to it, if you don't mind. What do you say?
Mais non, mais je peux pas l'attaquer comme ça parce que sinon il va me tirer dessus.
Fine.
Bah oui.
I'm sure Miss White will be pleased. Such a reliable pup. I understand why she'd want to keep you around.
You're under arrest. You'll be given a trial in front of your peers. And your punishment will follow.
Non. En vrai, avec tout ce que j'ai fait avant, j'étais obligé d'agir comme ça. Même si je voulais vraiment lui saccager la gueule.
Are you fucking kidding me?
When is this thing happening?
Are we sure he's coming?
Yes, you'll have an opportunity to... He's back.
The Crooked Man.
Thank God.
Motherfucker.
Are you okay? It's been hours. We were worried you'd run into some trouble. At the Crooked Man's place.
Well, he didn't make it easy.
What happened?
It doesn't matter. He's here. We got him.
We can talk about it later. You did well, Sheriff. I'm surprised. Not that you did well, but that, you know... I'm just glad you made it back in one piece.
Putain, épouse-moi.
It's about time you showed up. Now throw this asshole down the fucking well.
Yes, what are you waiting for?
You killed Lily!
She was my sister.
Could
What do you have to say for
Where
yourself?
the fuck do you get off?
Poor
You think
girls.
you have the right
And
to
what
just
about
do this
Faith?
to
What could
people?
they have
You're a
done to
fucking
deserve
crook.
This? You should be ashamed.
Shithole.
Everyone? Can I have your attention?
Il va sauter lui-même, c'est ce qu'il
Thank you
voulait.
all for coming here on such short notice.
C'est ce qu'il voulait.
I know
Il voulait
normally
partir.
we'd schedule a formal hearing, but considering the circumstances, I thought it best if we do this as soon as possible. The Crooked Man is charged with the murder
As
of
I
Faith
already
and...
informed your sheriff, it was Mr. Georgie Porgy who killed those women, not me.
What? It was Georgie?
Georgie?
I don't mean to interrupt you, Miss White, but I thought it would be unwise to proceed with such faulty information.
Bigby, is that true?
Georgie may have killed them, but you made the call.
Do I have to explain the situation to you again?
Wait a minute. So you're saying Georgie's the motherfucker who killed my sister? Well, where is he?
Yeah, you're gonna bring that shithead in too, aren't you?
Yes, Sheriff. Where is that rotten scoundrel?
Oh, le bâtard.
Is he still out there?
I sincerely hope not. Well, where is he?
Sheriff?
Oh putain. Non mais en fait le problème c'est que si j'ai envie de dire je l'ai tué, mais Blanche va me détester. Et ça dans ma tête. Je vais l'assumer.
I killed him. He's dead.
He's... what?
Dead. So you see, the culprit has been punished. There's no
That
need
doesn't
for
change
this.
anything. We'll deal with it later, but right now you're the one I'm concerned with.
You called the shots. Georgie made that perfectly clear.
In which case you still have a lot to answer for.
I
And
was
I
told
don't...
I would be allowed to speak.
We have to read the rest of the charges.
What other charges?
If you'd wait a moment.
I'm well aware of my rights, Miss White.
Let her finish. Then you can have your say.
Got it?
If you insist.
You are charged with the murder of Faith and Lily, which Georgie carried out on your order, inciting violence against various members of the Fabletown community, including the attempted murder of Sheriff Bigby Wolf.
Twice.
A misunderstanding.
Aiding and providing monetary support for the forced prostitution at the Pudding and Pie. Additionally, you are charged with multiple counts of fraud, extortion, racketeering, and the illegal possession and sale of magical ornaments. Now, is there anything you would like to say?
First of all, I had nothing to do with Faith and Lily, so you can strike that one from your little record book.
Bullshit! Like hell you didn't.
Stop the charade. We know you're involved.
Come on, it's obvious.
And there's all the other crap he's done.
Laisse-le parler là pour qu'on
Everyone
finisse.
just shut up for a minute. You wanted a chance to talk? Well, go ahead.
What?
We all know he's guilty. What the fuck does he need to speak for?
The Crooked Man has committed crimes against this government and, most importantly, its citizens. These charges, if proven, are enough to justify death, upon which your body will be committed to the witching
Where it
well.
fucking belongs.
That's
So
right.
let's get
but
on
we
with it
promised
then.
you a chance to defend yourself, and I won't rob you of that right.
What the
You're
fuck?
really going
This
to
is
let him
about
talk?
justice. If we're ever going to pull ourselves together and make something of this town, we have to start doing things correctly. No more snap judgments, no more secrets. We are going to treat everyone fairly, even when they don't deserve it.
This is ridiculous.
Il va faire une dinguerie. Il
You have the floor.
va faire des moudras.
Thank you, Miss White. You've all met Georgie. I don't have to tell you what kind of person he was. He was a total scoundrel, lacking in any sort of moral fiber. I hired him as a favor to his family, you see. A promise kept to a dying mother.
Oh,
Are you gonna
jeez.
get to your point or what?
Georgie was working for me, yes. But he was not acting on my behalf when he killed those women. It was
Oh,
his
le
business.
mythomane.
And for whatever reason, I'm sure only he could understand, he murdered 2 of his most faithful employees. I had nothing to do with it.
Tell the fucking truth for
He's
once.
always been a bit of a powder keg. It was only a matter of time before something like this happened.
If you were so offended by it, why'd you cover it up then? If it had nothing to do with you and your shit, then why'd you try to protect him for so long?
What cover up? I never made any attempt to hide Georgie's criminal activity from you. I learned of it myself
For
only
fuck's
recently.
sake. Any of you actually believe this bullshit?
Holly, please.
Tell them, Bigby. When you finally showed up at my door last night, wasn't I more than helpful? I answered your questions. I was willing to cooperate.
What's he talking about?
Helpful isn't the word I would use.
My comrades are another matter. And I'm sorry for the predicament they put you in. They get a bit carried away sometimes, it's true. Loyal to the end. They do it because they want to protect me, as I protected them. You understand wanting to protect what you care about, don't you? You'd do anything. You might even give up an innocent man, just to save someone.
I think you're done talking.
What are you afraid of? Why not let an old man say his piece? Let me explain this to you.
C'est un manipulateur de fou, c'est un malade mental ce mec.
I see some of them are here among you. They are not my slaves. They are all free to make their own decisions, as Georgie was.
What about Lily? She wasn't free. She wasn't given a choice. Do you really think she wanted... that any of those girls wanted their lives like that?
I'm sorry, Holly. I'm sorry that your sister asked me for help, and I'm sorry that I decided against my better judgment to give her a distasteful job.
Right, and you kept them in debt so they couldn't leave.
Yeah, that's what you did to us. How you kept us all
You
in
forget
line.
it was not me who put you in that position. You all act like I'm some kind of tyrant. When your government abandoned you, left you poor and helpless, sniveling on street corners, I was there to look out for you.
Yes, but...
Wasn't I?
You're the fucking problem here, not us.
Il essaie de détourner le problème là. En plus de le détourner sur
What
nous.
about Auntie Greenleaf? Her story is not uncommon. She left everything she had back in the homelands. Everything that mattered, anyway. With nowhere else to turn, she came to me for help. And what did I do for you?
You got my tree back.
I got her tree back, and in turn we used her magic to help poor Fables get glamours. Because I helped her, she was able to make a living, provide for herself. And what did they do?
For the longest time, not much, but they asked me to come work for them.
Really? The new deputy mayor wants you on the 13th floor?
No. The wolf offered me the job. She wanted my tree destroyed. If she had her way, I'd be hung out to dry on a clothesline by now.
What?
You were gonna burn her tree? Snow, why would you want that?
Is that true? I know. Snow made a mistake.
I have very good reasons for asking you to do that. She was working with Crane and the Crooked Man.
Non mais tais-toi, je sais...
You can lie to yourself, but you can't lie to me. You hated Crane, and you hated him for wanting to fuck you, and you being too soft to notice what he'd do to get it. It had nothing to do with the Crooked Man.
We've made some mistakes. I've made some mistakes. But believe me, I truly want what's best for this town. And that may not always be clear right away. But I want you all to know that I care deeply about all of you. And so does the sheriff.
Yeah, right.
I can't promise you perfection. No one can. But I can promise to always have your best interests at heart.
Things haven't been great for a while now, but we'll do better at protecting you. From people like him.
The Crooked Man's been exploiting you. Exploiting your hope for a better life. You would go to him for help, and he would take that weakness and add it to his strength. And if things didn't fall exactly
Jamais
his
soucié de
way,
vous, hein.
someone would die.
Des soucis de ses intérêts
Really
personnels.
think the Crooked Man cared about you?
C'est ça.
He just cared about your money. He cares about your obedience.
Il veut le contrôle.
They're right.
You're
Voilà.
all still afraid of him, even now. But you needn't be. His contamination of this town is
Voilà.
and those girls will have their justice.
Et même Tantine Greenleaf, elle arrive là. Putain, en vert-feuille.
Very good, very good. The sentiment is surely appreciated, Miss White. But it doesn't disguise the fact that these accusations are completely unfounded. The sheriff simply doesn't have a particle of evidence linking me to the...
Georgie was working for you. Bigby got a confession.
A confession that nobody heard. Now, I'm no barrister, but I think such a statement would carry more weight if Bigby weren't the only one to whom Georgie spoke. Especially given Bigby's history.
What are you
Ah oui, du coup là ça va m'éteindre sur...
Snow?
So, are we done?
And what about your history? All you've done to this fucking town.
What do you mean there's no evidence?
Maybe he's... I mean, this doesn't feel right, how we're doing this.
Oh putain.
I just
Of
need...
course it's right. This man tormented all of you for profit. Georgie
Let me
killed
just
them.
make sure I understand you. You're trying to say that I'm responsible for what Georgie did because he was working for me at the time, yes?
Yes.
Of course.
Oh non, 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 non.
You just shut the fuck up already.
It's okay.
Oh
Whatever
là
you're
là là.
getting at, get to it.
If I'm to blame for Georgie's mistakes, shouldn't Miss White be held accountable for Bigby's actions?
Oh là le
Like what?
bâtard.
How about the way he treated poor Tweedledee when he was in your custody? He was beaten to mashed apples while under your watch.
Under my watch.
Maybe he's right.
Did you think we'd all just let that go?
You can't be serious.
That was different.
What? You think you shouldn't be held accountable?
You're the one on trial here. Don't try to turn this around on us.
Besides, Crane was still deputy mayor when that happened.
C'est vrai.
Right before you decided to kidnap him.
It
C'est
was
vrai.
for his own protection. Oh, you're right, dear. Crane was in charge. Sometimes it's hard to tell the difference.
That's enough.
So, you won't answer for your employees' behavior, but I must perish for
This
mine.
is
Et
completely
c'est bien mérité.
I
We all-
did not order those two girls dead. It simply never happened. Georgie killed Faith and Lily. End of story. They want to scapegoat me for their own tangled ends, but they refuse to answer for their own
This
crimes.
isn't right.
Oh, please.
This isn't the point.
We'll deal with them after we deal with you.
Listen, I
The
know.
laws apply when we need them to.
Bluebeard, please.
What's that supposed to mean?
Everyone calm down. This isn't
I
the
mean, a
reason we're
certain level
here.
of privilege should be afforded to
To who?
This is how it's always been.
This is what I'm talking about. We lashed our ropes to this diseased world, and ever since, which one of us has been there for you? Who filled your lives with the promise of more? Who was there while they idly played in their towers, judging you, treating you as mindless children, too stupid to command your own destiny? Without me, who will pay your rent when you're on the verge of eviction? Who will dare challenge their brutality when it leaks to our dear citizens? Who will protect you from the big bad wolf? Who will be the...
Bigby? Miss White?
Et c'est les jumeaux, c'est sûr. Ils ont fait des dingueries.
Excuse me, dear.
I
Non.
wanted to make sure I had the chance to say something.
Why don't you take a moment to catch your breath, little
What's
one?
she doing here?
I'd like to... I need to say something.
We're kind of in the middle of something.
Bluebeard.
Allez-y.
Of course. Go right ahead.
You probably don't remember me. I don't know why I was afraid to come
My
here.
dear, I don't
Just
know
shut up. You enslaved us for years.
Oh là là
Told us
là
your
là.
stories about what you do. Told us we would lose everything if we stepped just one toe out of line. And
Oh
we
là
couldn't
là
say
là
a
là.
word about it because of these damn
Oh
ribbons.
là 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 là.
But you know what? Now it's my turn to talk.
Oh là 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 là.
I found Vivian's body.
Oh
kill
là
her?
là.
Did he?
Sheriff, this is highly
Elle s'est
irregular.
suicidée.
Be quiet.
We need to establish some order here.
Vivian wanted you freed from the ribbons. She took her own life.
I'm sorry, I don't think I know
Nerissa. My name is Nerissa.
It's okay, my dear. It's going to be...
Ta gueule.
He ordered them dead. This fucker. Faith and Lily.
That's a lie.
I was in the goddamn room when he did it.
No.
Faith and Lily are dead because of you. The only two people who ever gave a damn about me.
And this just confirms it.
He made Georgie do it. It was always him. Georgie would have never done anything without his say-so.
Oh.
Ever.
You're going to take the word of a...
Non, non,
At
il va lui
least 5
dire.
other girls will back me up on this. We all heard you say it.
We found our evidence.
She saw it firsthand.
He's guilty.
Good enough for me.
Me too.
So that's it, right?
Calm down the witching well.
No, that's too fucking easy for a crook like that.
What do you mean?
He's gotta pay for what he did.
Listen to yourselves!
You're all rats, fleeing from one sinking ship to the next.
Oui.
So quick to latch onto whatever will keep your miserable lives afloat. This is how you want to repay all I've done for you.
What, you take two people's lives away and now you want mercy?
You know we can't let you go free after this.
You're done talking, crooked man. You had your chance.
Well done, then.
Now, for your sentence.
We don't have to become murderers.
What are you talking about?
He's guilty. I know that, but we don't have to kill anybody. We can imprison him. Lock him up forever. Somewhere he can never hurt
Et où ça?
again.
How can we be sure he won't escape?
I can help. We'll use magic.
That's
I
not
assure
good
you.
enough.
Maybe
There will
she
be
has
more
a point.
if he isn't
Hasn't
stopped.
there been
I
enough
don't give a
bloodshed
shit
Then we
what
get
you do.
rid of him.
As long as you
Dangerous.
Get him out of
We
here.
can send him
Everyone,
away.
listen up!
C'est à Bibi de décider, elle va
Clearly, we're
dire.
having trouble agreeing on a suitable punishment. So I think
This
we...
is going nowhere.
Someone needs to make a decision. Who?
I hope you
On
are
devrait voter.
suggesting
Oui,
yourself.
voilà.
Why not?
Voilà, c'est très
Have a
bien.
vote.
J'adore
Make it
l'entre-deux.
Do you really think that's going to work?
He's right. Nobody can agree on anything.
What about Bigby?
What about him?
He was appointed. He's the only official
Oh,
representative,
putain.
really.
Oh,
He
les
should be the
bâtards.
judge.
That makes sense to me.
I guess it does.
Okay.
Fine. Are you sure? This isn't how
It's what the people want, Miss White.
Okay, Mr. Wolf,
Oh
it's
là
your
là.
call.
Snow.
Just do what you think is right.
Oh l'enculé.
Yes, Sheriff.
Lui arracher la tête.
Teach him a fucking lesson.
No.
He has.
Attends. En vrai, lui arracher la tête, et ça doit être terrible, mais si on fait ça, c'est la foire à la saucisse après. Dans tous les cas, la bonne solution, c'est soit le jeter dans le pluie, soit l'enfermer. Et en fait, le problème de l'enfermer, c'est qu'il connaît toujours des gens de l'extérieur. Alors que si on le met dans le puits, il reviendra jamais.
We can lock him
Just
away.
fucking get rid of him.
Not this way.
Non, 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 non. Va te faire foutre.
There you are. I hope you all remember this moment. Think of me when you try to sleep.
Finish it, Sheriff.
Please, we can still.
End it already.
You said you had a way to keep him from hurting people.
Wait, you
After
can't
what
be
he's
serious.
done, you just gonna put him in prison?
This isn't the way, Sheriff.
You're doing the right thing.
Yes, there's a way.
Non mais en vrai, la sorcière, je l'ai engagée.
Alright, do it.
Et elle veut trop me mettre bien pour ça. On va le mettre dans un appart luxueux de fou. Non, c'est lui?
Not what I was expecting. Morning, crooked man.
He's got a sharp tongue. I thought it would be better for everyone if he parted with it.
Thanks, Greenleaf.
Work is work, I guess.
Hey, Sheriff.
C'est Crapaud, j'en étais sûr.
I know who you are, Flycatcher. You've worked at the Woodlands
Ah non,
for
pas du tout.
how many years now?
I think I've lost count. Are you gonna come see the truck off? We're leaving for the farm in a few. Thought you might want to. I don't know.
I'll be down in a minute.
Okay, great.
Putain, je croyais que c'était Crapaud.
This fucking line.
Ah bah. Il a sûrement plus de taf, l'autre.
Oh, Mr. Wolf, Flycatcher left his keys.
Attends, mais je suis quoi, moi, maintenant?
Right. Thanks.
I'm sorry, Sheriff. I have to take care of this. We'll talk later, okay?
Good morning, Miss White.
You're late.
Il me déteste tellement.
Someone's gonna see you, Colin.
Tiens, il a acheté des bières, le con. Est-ce qu'on va enfin aller à la ferme ou pas? Ou ça va s'arrêter juste avant? Mais parce que j'ai peur que ça s'arrête juste avant, quoi. Alors que la ferme, on en parle depuis...
I'm going. Jesus.
Oh non.
We only have like 5 minutes.
And carry me for fuck's sake. I don't give a shit. You forgot these.
Oh, thank you. It's been pretty busy around here.
Morning, Sheriff. Nice fucking day. Shit. Just go grab that, would you? Sorry about all this. I know this isn't your ideal situation here.
Wait! Sheriff Bigby! I have something.
Comment ça?
You know, he was up crying all night, poor kid.
Ouais, il a fait un bocal de larmes.
Can you give this to Miss White, please? Dad says there's no time to say goodbye, so if you could bring it to her, she was
Bien sûr,
nice.
bien sûr.
Sure.
I couldn't take them all with me, and she said she liked that one the best. It's a willow beetle. That's a big one. They're cool, cause when they're little, they have these pouches
Oh.
that squirt juice.
Qui gicle du jus quand il est touché. Oh.
She said it was pretty.
We're about ready to head out.
What's it like at the farm? I've heard ogres live there, and they eat people in their sleep sometimes.
God, I hope not.
Do we have to go? I want to stay here.
Well, we don't have a choice anymore. Don't worry. You'll be a lot safer there. There's plenty of space to run around, and a nice river nearby so you can swim all you want.
Even in daytime?
Yeah, you don't have to worry about the Mundy seeing you. It'll be nice. Come on, it won't be so bad.
Have you been there before?
No, some of the animals aren't comfortable around wolves, so you wouldn't know, would you?
Bah oui, non mais enfonce-moi.
Bye, Mr. Wolf.
Goodbye, TJ. Hey, Bigby. Where's your friend, Colin? Where's a fucking pig?
Comment le
How
saurais-je?
should I know?
Saying goodbye?
Mademoiselle.
Hi.
Hi.
You're still wearing that thing.
Oh. Yeah. I guess I am. It's not easy to forget. I know it seems like I should be able to. It's just...
You need to let that go. How are you gonna move on if...
Bigby, I know you're trying to help, but this is just something I need to do on my own. Listen, I came here because I have to tell you something.
Non.
What is it?
It's about what happened to Faith and Lily. I'm not sure where to start. Faith, Lily, and we had this plan. We were gonna find a way out. Leave the pudding and pie for good.
Yeah?
But then Faith decided to get some leverage. She stole a picture of Crane and Lily together. The minute Faith stole that photo, we had dirt on one of the Crooked Man's allies. If he found out, I had no choice. You have to understand. You've seen how they kept us quiet in that place. Can you imagine the lengths they go just to silence someone who had physical evidence?
Marissa, what did you do?
I freaked out, okay? I thought if I came clean to Georgie, he'd get the Crooked Man to leave us alone. We could just forget the whole thing. Maybe try again in a few years.
You what?
So I told him everything.
Non.
And I begged for mercy for all of us.
Attends, mais ils sont morts
I
à cause
didn't want
d'elle.
anyone to die over a picture.
Non, mais non, on va pas l'enfoncer.
You were just trying to protect...
Mais... Et elles sont mortes à cause d'elle.
Georgie promised he'd smooth things over with the Crooked Man. But then... Oh, God.
Ça va aller. Ça va aller, mon petit poisson.
I don't know what happened, but that night at the club, Georgie came back and told me things had changed. He had to make an example of us. We had committed treason.
Oh,
And while the
merde.
two of us were sitting there, as he was telling me this, Faith walked in, and I had to watch while Georgie...
Wait, so Georgie told you all this? Not the Crooked Man? Back at the well, you said...
I know what I said.
But it wasn't the truth, was it?
What does it matter? I know the Crooked Man did it. So what if it wasn't the whole truth? It was true enough.
Les faits, les faits, hein.
What's done is done.
I know he ordered their deaths. I wasn't gonna let him get away with it because of a stupid technicality. Especially after... that night, after Faith. I tried to warn Lily, but she wasn't with her scheduled appointment. So I did the only thing I could do. I left Faith's head at your doorstep.
Oh, c'est elle qui a déposé les têtes.
I walked her over here, and I left her, just hoping that maybe if I couldn't save them, could at least save the rest of us.
You were trying to get my attention. So you started all this.
I just pointed you in the right direction. People like us get forgotten all the time.
Oh, c'est vraiment l'effet
Crooked
papillon
Man was
fou. Hein.
counting on that.
Oh.
When we suffer, we do it in silence. And the world likes it that way. We just fade, like we never existed. I couldn't watch that happen to Faith or Lily. Nobody cares about us. Not really.
It's going to be different now, I promise. Things like that won't happen anymore. Not while I'm around.
You'll make things right. You and Snow.
I don't know. Seems like no matter what I do, it's just not enough for her, or anyone. I just can't win with these people.
I know it might feel that way, but they need you, Bigby. Both of you. You two make a good team. The way you look out for each other, and look out for us. You don't see that a lot these days.
I don't really know where we stand anymore. Things are just different.
Huh. Things are always different. Look, Bigby. After everything you've done for us, maybe they don't want to admit it, but without you, none of this would have happened. You listened when no one else would. You knew when to show mercy, and you brought justice to this town. Finally. Because you brought the Crooked Man in, everyone saw who he really was. So from where I'm standing, you did the right thing. You've been given this job for a reason. And I left Faith at your doorstep because I knew if anyone stood a chance against the Crooked Man, it was you.
I hope I've at least done some good here.
You've changed this place. For better or worse, Fabletown wouldn't be the same without you.
Et elle s'en va comme une héroïne.
You're not as bad as everyone says you are.
I need to tell you something.
I have to tell you something.
I feel like we've met before.
Trying to place me. You like my ribbon?
Do you like it?
Faith wore one too.
Would hide her beauty so she could escape his kingdom.
They used to call me the Little Mermaid.
Dr. Swinehart ever get back to you about
He
Faith?
said he wanted to run more tests.
I hope you find what you're looking for.
Est-ce que c'est... Est-ce que ce serait pas... Oh là là, attends.
I'll see you around, Wolf.
Non. Non, mais dis pas que ça se termine sur ça. Non. Non. Ah, beaucoup de personnes qui l'ont fumé, Georgie. Ok. Putain, 71% ont choisi la prison. Attends, mais il y a des gens qui ont refusé le cadeau de CG pour Molanche. Non mais n'oublie pas que c'est fini. Statistique spéciale, la bête. Vous lui avez menti d'avoir vu Belle avec... Ah oui, non mais ça on s'en fout. Vous lui avez promis de ne pas dire la Belle, blabla. Boucher, vous lui avez offert la protection de bureau. Vous lui avez donné à boire lorsque vous lui avez demandé dans votre appartement. Vous l'avez... Oh là là, putain, Colin, j'ai trop été son gars. Bon, Georgie, on a bousillé son club, plus il est mort. Donc en vrai, c'est bon. Elle, on lui a offert un travail. Lui, on a passé un accord, je sais plus ce que c'est. C'est vrai qu'on a essayé de lui retirer son ruban, elle, à l'ancienne. Du coup, on aurait pu la tuer, hein. Vous l'avez emmené avec vous au Trip Trap. Oui. Petit Tim, vous avez choisi de l'attendre. Son bousier. Non mais attends, mais il y a vraiment pas de suite? Continue l'histoire. Je vais péter un câble? Comment ça? Comment ça? Attends, mais genre là, il n'y a pas de chapitre 6? Non. Mais genre là, il n'y a pas de suite à ça. On suit la dame dans la rue. Et pas de suite. En fait, je sais pas quoi penser de la fin, là. Parce qu'en vrai, le truc, c'est que ça clôt bien l'histoire, mais la scène où on parle à, du coup, à Ariel, à Nerissa, en fait, elle démarre un autre truc, mais qui part pas trop loin. Enfin, qui part pas du tout. Qui est au stade de début. Genre, on embraye, et après, fin, ça coupe. C'est terrible. J'espère que le 2 sort rapidement. Mais bon, pour l'heure du YouTube, au revoir. À la prochaine. À plus, c'était très bien. Mais par pitié, donnez-nous un chapitre 6. Je vais péter un câble. Ouah.